scared. Sorry. He just wants to go out. My hands are so cold. This is like that Vine. That was not worth it. I should have just gotten my headband. Okay, that was this. I'm using this. My room is a huge mess because I'm building a vanity. Here's the outfit. I wear my Sambas. I did low socks because these are like short jeans and I don't know, it just felt right. I'm gonna bring my makeup with me and do it in the car because I should get there a little early. I didn't have my second breakfast. This is my overlayer if I'm cold. Okay, I made it. I'm gonna do a wee bit of makeup. I'm eating. I remembered I also have a really long heart test today. Okay, I put on lip liner and stuff. Okay, now I'm done. Bye.